Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all will be doing great. Today is the time for the maths class and the topic is measurement. There are many domains in the measurement, for example, length, width, weight and mass of the different objects. But today we will discuss length, how to take length of different objects. There are different ways to measure length. For example, meter ruler, and then comes the centimeter ruler, and then measuring curved lines. The first thing is meter ruler. I don't have a meter ruler here, but I have this inchy tape in which we will discuss how to take length in meter. Students, you all must know that there are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. 100 centimeters is equal to 1 meter. This thing is for learning. You have to learn this, okay? And remember that we measure the length of long or big objects in meters, okay? Next, we will discuss the centimeter. Here is the scale in my hand. You all must know the scale, and then here is written cm. That means that donates the centimeter. Here is the measuring of centimeter and we donate centimeter with the cm. Small letters of C and M. Last part is measuring curved lines. Measuring curved lines. These are the curved lines, and when you have to measure their length, you use this string method. In this method, we take a string like this. See, it's very easy. And then you put the string on the curved line on its shape. Okay? Then we will find the measuring of the string with the help of a scale or a meter rule. Okay, one class. In maths, we have covered the concept of high order thinking skills, in which we covered length, the meter rule, centimeter and measuring curved lines. These are the pages from 95 to 97. Okay, I hope you understand the lecture. Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself.